What's up guys, UKTransit here. We got a very special video for you today. What are we doing, Sam?
We are here at Basingstoke to go and see a bit of the Class 455.
At the Railway Operations Centre in Basingstoke.
So, James, what is this 455 used for?
Well, the station staff told me that it was used for training, for like guard training and stuff, but I'm not entirely sure.
That's really cool. That is really cool. Anyway, let's go and have a look. We're also going to get some drone shots as well.
Yeah.
The 455 is just over there. The 455. There is a 455 carriage, and it looks like a drivable unit. That's cool. It looks like the front or the back of one, and it has a drivable unit. That is cool. I don't know if it is drivable, but like you can see that it is one of the front units, which is cool. South Western Railway. That's really cool. This is extremely cool. There it is. It looks so, it's so weird to actually see a 455 nowadays. That is so cool. So it's used, we think it's used for training purposes, to train guards and stuff. That is really cool. Absolutely beautiful train. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, I can't believe I'm generally seeing this right now. It's so cool to see. Just look at that beauty. What an absolute freaking beauty. What class of train is this? What is the exact unit number?
Well, this is a 455-702.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Look at how beautiful that fin is. She's beautiful. Oh, look at that 455. Oh, it's lovely. We're going to go up in the air in a second. 455 is over there. My two friends are here.
Hello.
And we have a drone. This is the control panel. So that's how you control the drone, yeah? So we are now recording. Go on, James, take it off. We now have a drone flying. Wow, we can see it already. That's so cool.
Okay.
That looks so cool. Are we getting photos or are we filming as well? Both.
Nice cinematic shot.
That's so cool.
Should I go to the front of it?
Yeah. We're flying. Correction, James is flying. I'm just filming him flying. Are you recording? Yeah, that's good. Go and zoom in a bit more if you can.
I can't.
Okay, that's good.
It's as fast as.
Okay.
Just gonna. That's not.
You're going a bit fast, James! What was I going to say?
I don't know what were you going to say.
455 is used for emergency services training.
Yeah, so we found out we don't think it is used by guards. It might be used by guards, it might not be, but someone told us that it is used for British Transport Police training, ambulance service training, and fire brigade training. Do you two have anything else to add?
Nothing much, no, other than it, yeah, that's what they use it for, I guess.
Do you think it's cool? What do you think about the 455 being there? Do you think it's cool? What do you think about it?
Well, it's good there when they're doing the training, I guess, so they can practice.
But as an enthusiast, what do you think about it being there? Do you think it's cool that there's a 455 there?
Well, yeah, because then you can go and see it whenever you want, I guess. But it would have been better to see it on the network, I guess.
Definitely. What do you think about it, James? What do you think about the 455 being in Basingstoke?
Stay there much. I think the security guard said that it was only going to be there for a short amount of time.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be there for too much longer. So if you want to look at it, go and look at it quickly.
Yes.
Well, that was definitely interesting, going to see a 455, and it's used for training purposes, so to train the emergency services, which is really cool. British Transport Police, probably the police as well, ambulance services, fire services. It's really, really cool to see a 455 actually being used for good. I mean, obviously they were always used for good. Back when they were actually in service, they were really good trains. Obviously they didn't have toilets, unfortunately. They were never fitted with toilets, which annoyed some people. I mean, I didn't like that the 455s never had toilets or charging ports. They should have been upgraded as they got older and older and older and older. They were really good trains, really beautiful trains, so it is a shame to see them no longer on the network. I'm currently on a 444 and the train doesn't know where it's going. Yeah, the train doesn't know where it's going. But yes, thank you so much for watching today's video. This is UKTransit signing off from, we'll say, Basingstoke. Like, subscribe and leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.